Hey guys, let's talk Natasha Denona. This is the Glam palette. I love this palette because it has the prettiest shimmers you'll ever see. Gorgeous mattes, all neutral colors. Perfect to take on vacation, perfect to take on travel because it has every kind of basic color you need. Each color is named after where each color goes on your eye. So we've got, see this one, outer lid for this color, transition for this color, inner corner, like this light shimmery color. We got the center eyelid for this color. Some colors are named the same, like there's quite a few outer eyelid ones, quite a few center lid colors because these shimmers are so versatile. You can use any one of the colors in your center, anyone in your inner corner, like you can use some of these center lid corners in your inner corner. But most of the mattes, you'll see like this one's, there's smoke, there's only one blend, there's only one crease color, there's this one at the lash line. I think those are the only ones. There are two outer lid colors, a matte and a shimmer that you can both use in the outer lid, almost like a mid-tone taupe. So we've got kind of the perfect everyday eye look or smoky. You can dress up with shimmers. This palette is just so easy to use just because the name of each color tells you where to put the eyeshadow. Now it's time to swatch. I'm gonna swatch on my lid and then I'm gonna swatch on my arm as well. This is a center, I'm gonna go right to left. This is a center eye color, a champagne-y peachy color. See that gorgeous shimmer? A lot of pigment. I'm just gonna stripe that right there so you can see it on the eye. Gives a really shimmery kind of wet look to the eye. Then we've got outer eyelid. I feel like I should put these colors like where they tell you to put them. So I'm going to put this in the outer edge, just stripe that down like this. A smoky taupe color. You can also use this as a crease or at the lash line. And it's almost like a taupey gray brown. The inner corner color, the sort of peachy, it's a more peachy pink. So I'm gonna take this little brush, inner corner. Got the same tone as that champagne color, a little more pink, like a ballet pink. Swatch it on my arm for you. Just like that. I'm gonna take this color, crease, I'm gonna show you what that's gonna look like. We're gonna take this in the crease, like it says. It's darker than this color, which was the outer eyelid. Again, you can also use this in the crease too. Definitely like a neutral brown. In this color, it's called Transition. It's like a light gray. I'm going to take that. I'm going to show you transition-y color. I think I blended it too much. I'm going to put that crease color back in there. But I just want you to see how these colors look on the eye and where the placement would go. And then see how that kind of smooths out the other color, diffuses it a little bit. This is the swatch. It's a little chalky on me. This is not my favorite of colors. You can see it, the gray turns a little yellow on me. So now that we're done with this row, you know what? I'm gonna go from left to right this time, starting with this kind of silvery color for the center lid. It's more of like a silver. And I'm gonna put that in the center there just so you can see. This is definitely like a silver, like a true silver. Then we've got like, this is also kind of a silvery, like I wanna say silvery, like champagne color. And they have this one going in the inner corner. And I'll show you. It's almost like a candle-like color. That's a lot. I diffuse that a little bit. but it's almost got like a champagne, like yellowish tinge to it. Looks like this. I'm going to swatch it next to this silver so you can see how much lighter it is. Then I've got this color, which is Lash Line. It's the only lash line color, but you can use any of these darker colors in the lash line if you like the matte ones. But this one has it, like I'm going to add it underneath here for like, it's like a, I don't know, like a greenish brown, not green. Yeah, I want to say like a taupey shimmer. But just added to the lash line there. Do you see how pretty that is? Real easy to do simple looks with this. And then we are going to, this one's like so soft and creamy. But it's got like, I don't know, like bronzy, taupey. I don't know how to describe this color, but it's a really pretty shimmer. Now we've got this smoke color, which you can use in your crease or outer corner to smoke out some eyeshadow. So at the end, let me show you what this looks like. The smoke color. Like it's almost black, an almost black color, like charcoal, but a really pretty, perfect darker color for the outer corner crease or to smoke out, give you like a smoky eye. This bottom level is filled with shimmers. So you've got, I'm gonna go right to left again. This is the center eyelid. More of like a gold tone. Right, like a straight gold tone. Then we've got this outer eyelid color. I feel like this has like plummy tones in it. This says to put it in the outer, on the outer eyelid. So I'm just gonna put it over this so you can see it's kind of plummy tone. See that? Really pretty. It's got, yeah, like almost like silver shimmer to it. And we've got this guy, like a straight champagne beige color. But if you see here, it's like a champagne. Not as white as this color, which is an inner corner color. And it's not like gold, like the shimmer. And it's less peachy than this one, but a really pretty shade. So I cleared out some eye space here. I showed it to you on the eye, but look at how pretty that is. Like a true champagne color. And this one can go in the inner corner as well. And then we've got like the shimmer, brown shimmer that goes in the outer eyelid. Like so. Like you could even just do like those two colors. Really pretty and basic. Not basic in a bad way. And we've only got one brow bone color, but let me tell you, you can use any of these lighter shades in the brow bone, even the gold. My brow bone is it's going right here. And that's like a champagne with a more gold tone to it. You could throw that in the inner corner if you want, just like that. But look at how pretty that glow is. And I'll show you. This is brow bone. I wanted to show you next to this center lid color so you could see the difference in the color. This has a little more yellow, a little more gold tone to it. Whereas this is like silvery, champagne-y gray. I don't know, maybe this is the true champagne. And that's all the colors, but let me swatch the outer lid one, that brown shimmer right here. I didn't get to swatch that one, but I want you to see it kind of above everything else. It's this like brown shimmer, the only one of its pack, because these are like gray, has a little more plum, but the only, and this is like a taupe, and that's the only like brown shimmer as you see here. Okay, now that we're done swatching, let me get my makeup on and we are going to do a look with this palette. Okay, I did all my makeup and now we are going to dig into this palette. We are gonna do soft, smoky, and shimmer because I feel like this is definitely the perfect palette to do this with. So I am going to start with this cut crease kind of look, but it's gonna be smoky. So we're going into smoke, color smoke. And then I'm gonna draw, see my crease is here, but I'm gonna go above my crease, just like that. Just a little line like this. Then I'm gonna take the same color and I'm going to kind of draw a wing like this. Just like that. So a wing and a little bit of this kind of cut crease right here. I'm going to come in with this blend color, kind of this like camely tan color, and I'm going to fill in kind of underneath and sweep that out. Kind of blending that little crease as I go. I'm gonna go a little bit over, but I don't want to blend too hard, like windshield wipery thing, because then that's just going to erase that defined crease right there, and I don't want to do that. So a little bit of that blend above and below, just like that. We're gonna take the center eyelid color and we're gonna add that right through here. It's the bottom one, like the champagne-y color. Then I'm gonna take this dry brush and definitely kind of move that color around a little bit. Just so I'm getting like a little bit of a defined crease and a smoke right through there. Then I'm gonna take this teeny tiny brush and go in with this lash line shimmer color. Get this underneath my eye, just like that. I'm gonna say it's like a smoky taupe color. And further, just taking that through the lash line. And then this guy that says outer eyelid, I'm going to take that color and kind of get that corner crease and do what it says. Do that outer eyelid. Sweep that out. Soft, smoky shimmer. Just like that. But no, we're not done yet. I'm going to take the brow bone color and add that with this little brush through here. And I'm going to take that same brow bone color. Make things easy for us. Just go through there, get that inner corner. Then we're going to take our liquid liner and I'm just going to do a little turn up here. Giving a little bit of thickness towards the end. Just like that, so it stays turned up. And then connect that through here with a very thin line. Just like that. Then I clean up with a little bit of eye makeup remover here. Get that turnout, a little more of that turnout. Okay, let's finish the other side and I'll show you the entire look. I'm gonna do a little mascara and I'm gonna kind of wing out that mascara at an angle to kind of go with the eyeliner that's very much winged. Make sure they're going out. And of course you can't forget the guys underneath here. All right, I'm pairing this with a bold lip. This is NYX's Prune and Copenhagen Soft Lip Cream. So these softer, kind of smokier eyeshadow looks are really a nice eye look for some bold lip color. There you have it. I am ready for the holidays. What do you guys think of this look? Natasha Denona. Bye for now, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my tutorial today and my swatches of the Natasha Denona Glam palette.